Hello, children! Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw my melody. Let's start. First, the eyes. Left eye. Right eye. My melody's eyes. Eyes. My melody's eyes. Now the nose. A small, cute nose. Now the smiling mouth. A happy smile. Now, the head. A big round head. My melody's head. Now the right ear. Right ear. Now the bow. A pretty bow. Bow. Now the left ear. Left ear. Let's draw the collar. My melody's collar. Now the left arm. Left arm. Now the right arm. Right arm. Now the body. This is the body. Now the left leg. Left leg. Now the right leg. Right leg. Great job. Now it's coloring time. What color is this? It is pink. Pink. Pink bow. Pink collar. All done. This is my melody. Great job, everyone! You can find many more fun videos in my Draw and Learn English playlist. Don't forget to like this video and follow my page for more drawing and learning fun. See you next time! Bye-bye!